Menteri Badai Kemi Ikat Revenue and Disaster Management iba Kermenshela habajubab hakiang darbat tauan ni kesengi laong bakomba Hajar Sauspa apun Ngut ki Briew bat ki Synjuk ki layo ya ke Bhah Jaka hak revenue land. UMLA keseng BPP na nongkrem uba nak liang persya iba Arden M Basaimoj ila keli bakumnu ki Briew ki ba nakari Bangladesh ki la bande ke Jaka ke Bhah Ranja ke ba ki layo ke tamaya le latlut hosnam ka kandai spa nyup huwei. Iba Basaimoj ila keliru baladon kanu ka revenue land lani ke Jaka ke bakila Bhah asyik dekot jongki yang darbar tauan lani syaki bahi yang sem jongki iba kermen shelai laong ba imdan jingtem ba kandon ka revenue land lani ke Jaka jongka soroka ke bala ai syaki dekot jongka yang lani syaki bahi yang ki jongki unong elam ke liang persya iba Roni Vilingdo ila panjing pensyai la don kanu ka revenue land ke bala wengno na ka daw ka jingsya kini bean iba shelai la juba bala don katu kat ni ki Briew ki bala persyang ban kini juba bat ban yakun syayeng bishar Henry ila ong bangi bat bet ya kanong rem jongi bat ba ka Jaka ka day ka balong try da ka sorkar.
Whenever we allot any land to any person, provided he has all the document required, and then we follow all the rules as per guided by the Land Transfer Act. So if the person for us, we don't have any notice knowing that a person is belonging to the family of the Agas house. But for us, our concern is that whenever we transfer in land or lease the land, it has to be proper guided by the Land Transfer Act, sir.
So may I ask from the Honourable Minister, are there any land, revenue land, being encroached illegally by illegal, settlers?
When it comes to any encroachment by individuals to the revenue land, so then the procedure needs to be followed. It goes to the court. And if the court give the orders that this land belongs to them, then we have no claim. But most of the time from our side, sir, we make sure that none of our land, especially the government land, will go to the individuals without having a proper documents. And we make sure, sir, that we'll protect our land. Not only the government land, even the scheduled land. That is our priority, sir.
Menteri Ketnat Sports iba Syekh Liar Wadri